During pregnancy, performing squats is exceptionally good to maintain strength in your thighs, glutes, core and pelvic floor muscles, and preserving good range of motion in your hips. They also help with improving posture and preparing you for the birthing process. In general, we wish to stand with our feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart and toes pointed out. As the pregnancy progresses and the bump grows bigger, it's better to keep a bit wider stance so that you can squat all the way down. Engage your core with diaphragmatic breathing before you initiate the exercise and keep it engaged throughout the whole movement, breathing normally. Sit your hips back and bend your knees to lower yourself into a squat and focus on pressing your knees out on the way down, not losing them inward. This is very important to prevent knee problems. Keep your spine neutral the whole time, all the way up to your head. Be careful not to be looking up as you go down into the squat, then your spine is not neutral. Go as low as you feel comfortable with, preferably until your thighs are parallel to the ground. If you're experiencing pelvic girdle pain in your pregnancy, or you feel strain in your lower back or pelvic area during squats, then be careful not to be standing too wide. Keep a normal, narrower stance, and just do a shorter range of motion. That is, don't go all the way down, just as low as you feel comfortable with. Another good modification if you're experiencing pelvic girdle pain is to do the box squat instead of air squats. If you're exercising at home, you can just use a couch or a chair. The higher the box, chair, couch, bench, whatever you're using, the easier the exercise. Hope this helps!